Hello there, how you doing? Right, I've got a little treat in that box here, and I've got 2 power banks which I'm going to talk about as well. And the treat in this box, sent to me very kindly by a company, so we'll have a quick shufty at that. If I just hand that to, oh look, all his friends here. I've given him something to pop just to keep him distracted.
His assistant.
His assistant. I've got these Magtame power cables, and they very kindly sent me these to have a look at. These are things that I've paid for. These are power banks. You might have heard me talk in my kayaking videos about a trip I'm doing. Don't know whether I've mentioned it. I might have done. They sent me these and I said I'd review them along with these power banks. And they wrap around. They're supposed to be really tidy cables, so let's have a look at them. So they're magnetic. So this is C to C. And it's to help keep your cables tidy. They kind of wrap around in a magnetic coil. Quite nice, that. Again, C to C. Quite nice. So this one's more of a cord. Are they both cord? Both got like a cord texture. So they look well protected. So let's going to charge a few things up and see how they work out. So what I've got going on here is I've got this power bank. I can't remember the name of this. I'll put it on the screen. So this is about 30-odd thousand milliamp hours. This one's 50-odd thousand. As I say, I got them for the big trip. So this one's currently charging the DJI Mavic Mini, and I've got this one just charging this e-cig here. So the black cable, the one that's currently charging the DJI, quite thick, that one. Oh, actually they're both quite thick. This one charges up to 100 watts with 20 Gbps transmission data speed. The silver one that we've got plugged in here, right now on the back here there's a sticker that says 240 watts, so that's kind of got some beans to it, but there's no other real details on there or in the box like there is on this one. So what it'll do. Well, this friend's just made an interesting point. It would be quite nice if there was like a little charging speed indicator or something on the socket. That'd be quite nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, there's some cables that do actually have that, and with it being, is this the 100 watt?
This is the this is the 100 watt.
So the 100 watt, it would be nice to see what it's charging at.
Yeah. So there's something for you. So it's a bit later in the day now. I've been charging the Hovercam. I've charged this up twice. This power bank, the POWERADD Pro, is currently on 90%, but it's done this twice. It's done Ainsley's e-thingy. This has done the DJI drone a couple of times. It's been on a couple of times. So yeah, these cables all working very well, as are the power banks. As you can see, it's really easy just to get these back together and it just snaps back in place. Such a nice idea, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
So yeah, tidy cables.
And they're a good size as well, which obviously they need to for the size of the what is it they can.
Yeah, that they're going to. Yeah, because these are a lot thicker than your average charging cable.
Well,
have you got one there?
Yeah.
Let's just do a quick comparison.
I mean, okay, this is on the DJI, but even so.
I mean, look at this difference in thickness there. It's quite a lot, isn't it? Back from our camping trip, and this big POWERADD Pro has got 52% in it, and the slightly smaller one has got 22% in it. And considering they were charging stuff continuously, Ainsley's drone was continuously on charge. I think they've done all right, actually, done well. And the 2 Magtame cables, they are now part of my computer setup. And yeah, I've got to admit, I do quite like the way that these just stay quite neat and tidy. And then you just unravel them when you need to use them. Quite like that. That's a really neat idea. So thanks to Magtame for sending me those out. That's really kind of you. Thanks. They were really good. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking and subscribing, etc. I've put links in the pinned comment and in the description so that you can check all of these items out for yourself. I am looking forward to trying out the big power banks on my big trip that's coming up. That's going to be awesome. And hopefully I've got a little bit of solar to add to that as well. So hopefully I should have enough for this 5-6 day adventure that's coming up. All right, you take care of yourself. Cheerio.